Hi guys, today I will explain how to gain audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. In simple words, you can maximize the volume of your voice and also of background music in Adobe. So let's get started. As you can see, I have my video, I have the background music. And no need to worry using the same methods. You can gain audio of your voice as well as for your background music. So here we have a single way by which you can gain audio, and that way is pretty much easy. No need to do anything difficult. Tap on your audio and do a right click. And here you can see the option of audio gain. Click on it. It's on -10 decibels, and if I add 10, then it will be moved to 0 because I will add 10 in -10. And here you can see the audio has been gained. Let me play it. So you hear the background music. If you want to make it more higher, click on it. Tap on the option Audio Gain and enter the numbers to which you want to gain. Like I want to increase it to 15. So I enter 15 and tap on the option Enter. Now the audio has been again. Let me play it again. You can hear the audio has been gained, and it was the way by which you can do it easily.